Hello everyone, we are Jinghe Technology. This video demonstrates the operation of a handheld screw tightening machine. When disassembling the drill, first turn off the air. Press the switch to remove the drill bit, then pull out the drill bit. This switch has to be pressed, then the drill bit can be directly pulled out. Then rotate to the other direction to take it out. Replaced with a new drill bit. Insert it from here first. Adjust the drill bit direction after installation. You see there's a directional gap here, and we're going to aim in the direction. We're going to align and insert it. After the drill bit is inserted, release the switch and it will be fixed. Be sure to align the direction here and then install the drill bits in place. It won't fall off. To remove the drill bit, simply press the switch down and unplug the bit. Then rotate the other direction and pull out the drill bit. Let's demonstrate it again. Plug it in first. Then align the small holes. Press the switch down first. Adjust the orientation position and insert it. Be sure to install it in place and then relax the switch. How to adjust the torque? Let's look at this scale. Moving upward in this direction is increasing power. Down debugging is to reduce torque. Rotate down and the torque of the screw tightening becomes smaller. Next, introduce the installation of the screw machine. Connect the cable to the feeder. Fixed with screws after installation. It needs to be fixed. Transparent trachea inserted into the white interface. Black trachea connection, black interface. The cable is the same at the other end. Connect the cable to the screwdriver. Install the fixing screws after installation. Then connect the trachea to the screw channel. The trachea needs to be inserted into the nozzle. Insert into the nozzle like this. Be sure to insert it at the bottom. There's a hole here. You can see the trachea here. We can see the trachea here. After completion, we start connecting the air source switch. This is the power switch, connected to 220 volts. Connect the power cord to the jack, then turn on the switch. Also connected a barometer. The barometer will be placed in the machine. Install it on the machine like this. The blue part is the air pressure input. The black interface is to output air pressure to the machine. The blue part is the air pressure input. Let's demonstrate. The black trachea is connected to the machine. Then the barometer is assembled on the machine. In order to prevent damage, we will remove the barometer and put it in the machine. In this way, the screw tightening machine has been assembled. We double-click the screwdriver switch and it can be used. If the machine issues an alarm, indicating that the number of screws is too low, we need to add screws. We opened the screw cover and then poured the screw into the chute. Next, let's introduce how to use it. This switch is to debug the forward and reverse rotation of the electric drill bits. Switch up is inverted, down forward. When turning forward, the machine conveys screws. When the screws are tightened, do not release the switch. After the screws are tightened, don't relax the switch, keep pressing it. We need to get away from the product before loosening the switch. If you need to remove the screw, we can remove the screw by flipping the switch up. Press the switch, and the machine keeps rotating to remove the screws. We are back on track. When there are no screws on the drill bit, double-click the switch twice to automatically deliver the screws. Then press the switch without letting go, and the screws are tightened. Then move the drill away from the product and release the switch. Press the switch twice when there are no screws on the drill bit. Press the switch once when there are screws on the drill bit. Let's demonstrate again. We place the handle parts on the pressure cooker. Now there are no screws on the drill bits. The first time, we had to double-click the switch twice, and the screws would be delivered automatically. Press and hold the switch until it is released, and then move away from the product. Once you are away from the product, release the switch, and the screws will be automatically fed in. If you get too close to the product, you'll bump into it. When there is a screw on the drill bit, press and hold it and don't release it. Release the switch after staying away from the product. After the machine is powered on, select the language you need. Select English, click. After entering, it is the English interface. If you want to switch to Chinese, turn off the power and select Chinese. Then click this Chinese. Then confirm that it is Chinese. The parameters in this are prohibited from being modified, because modification may affect the feeding of the screw.